Nature always captivates us with its mystical beauty, yet sometimes it unleashes its fury to remind us of the tremendous power it holds. These phenomena can occur unexpectedly and cause serious damage. So, make yourself a cup of coffee, hit like, and watch until the end of the video to uncover the mysteries behind it. On a winter morning, the cold weather delivered a stunning surprise as this woman discovered a perfectly frozen car mirror, creating a visually satisfying ASMR moment. It's as if the sky decided to send down a giant, fluffy blanket to wrap the entire city in a cozy embrace. This massive, cotton-like cloud formation looks like it's ready to give the landscape a gentle squeeze. What a mesmerizing and surreal moment to witness. Welcome to Perito Moreno, where nature's icy giants love making waves. When summer hits, even Perito Moreno Glacier can't resist showing off with a grand splash.
Separate lives, separate families, and separate sets of friends, as these two containers of sand are poured into the third container.
Well, when they said, "We'll weather every storm together," they never expected the storm to arrive on their wedding day.
I can't see them, I can't see us. By the authorities, you may kiss the bride.
By this powder cloud, huh? Oh.
Turkey's streets are now a surfer's paradise after the heavy rains turned them into wild rapids. Time to grab your board and ride these urban waves. Just be ready for a bumpy ride. Nature just put on a spectacular show right in the heart of Disco Bay. This iceberg's dramatic collapse is the kind of entertainment you can't buy a ticket for. Greenland sure knows how to keep us on the edge of our seats. When the mountains at Pizzo Cingalo decide to rock out, they don't hold back. This avalanche is nature's version of a mic drop, loud, powerful, and absolutely unforgettable. It seems like the bridge in Puerto decided to take an impromptu trip. After some heavy rainfall, the floodwaters gave it a nudge, and off it went. While this isn't exactly what you'd call a road trip, it's a powerful reminder of how nature has its own way of moving things around, whether we like it or not. The mountain in Himachal Pradesh decided to shake things up a bit. This massive landslide isn't just a rockfall, it's a reminder that when nature wants to remodel, nothing is off limits. These adorable Asian soft-shell turtles are snuggled up together in the sand, getting cozy as they hibernate through the winter. It's like a group nap, but with a shell. If you were the owner of the car, how would you feel hearing this sound? A colossal chunk of ice dramatically peels off Sawyer Glacier in Tracy Arm, Alaska, and plunges into the icy waters below. Looks like the sky is testing out an automatic cooling system. No need for manual controls when you've got a tornado doing the job. Just another day where nature takes care of the heat, though maybe a bit too enthusiastically this time. This is hands down the largest fireplace I've ever seen. Peeking inside Mount Etna, it's clear that when this volcano decides to heat things up, it goes all out. A mesmerizing and slightly of nature's raw power. Perfect for those who like their warmth with a side of molten lava. He was so startled when he saw the frog on his motorbike that he didn't hesitate to toss it off immediately. Comment number 1 if you would have done the same. The iceberg seems to perform an intricate Indian dance, gracefully moving before it finally melds into the glacier. It's as if the ice itself is taking a final bow on nature's grand stage, leaving us in awe of its fleeting yet powerful beauty. When GPS says turn right, but he mistakenly hear turn into the river. This poor car took a detour straight into the floodwaters.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh!